everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're doing something simple. We're going to do some chicken wings on the kettle. I got this delicious rub we're going to try out. We're going to sauce it up with some delicious barbecue sauce. We're going to use two. We're going to use a chipotle and a Traeger barbecue sauce. Hey, smoked chicken wings on the kettle next on Cooking with up. Out here smoking. It's looking good. It's looking delicious. Get it there for Jen. Actually, before I do that, I got a couple other things here. There we go. And then we'll get on to our saucing of our wings. You guys, look at those things. Don't they look delicious? Alright, so we're just going to slather this on. This is a combination of Fat Boy and Traeger sauce. So we got a chipotle Fat Boy sauce and we got a spicy Traeger sauce. So these wings with that rub are going to have so much flavor. It's going to be delicious. Alright, I'm slathering away. I'm going to keep slathering away. No need for you to watch this. I'll show you when they're done. Alright guys, look at our wings. Look at those. Aren't they looking delicious? We're just going to set this glaze. And we're going to take them in. I'm going to make a big old plate. Corey's going to have some wings. Jen's going to have some peppers and baked potato and some mushrooms. Take a look at those wings. Alright peeps, we have worked hard on our wings. Look at these delicious things. Done on the Weber kettle, smoked. We're going to add some deliciousness to it. Just make them a little better. How about a little ranch on there? Oh yeah, just a little. All the way around. Heck yeah, why not? And to spice things up a little more, we do got that chipotle barbecue sauce on there. But you know, our garden's going pretty good. So hey, how about some delicious little slices of Thai dragon pepper on there? That might make it a little spicier, light up my life a little bit. And obviously some parsley. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to click that bell. We'll see you next week. Thanks everybody.